Let us go with the problem number 18. Here, which fraction is the greatest fraction? Right? They have given 4 fractions here. That is going to be 1 by 6, right? And 3 by 6, right? 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. Now you need to compare this, right? When you are going to compare, see, observe the denominator and as well as numerator also. So if you observe the denominator, so the denominator is same here, right? 6, 1 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6 and as well as 5 by 6. When the denominator is the same, so then what you can do here is, it's very simple, right? It is going to be considered as a like fraction, right? Now, so just check out here. So 5 is greater than 4 and it is greater than 3 and it is greater than 1, right? So now obviously the greatest fraction is going to be 5 by 6, right? 5 by 6 is the greatest fraction, right? Option here is D.